Oregon Supreme Court decision could pay billions to retired public employees past and present. But opponents of the decision say it'll force deep cuts to local budgets. NBC5's Matt Jordan is live outside Medford City Hall with more on the court's decision. Matt.
That's right. In 2013, the Oregon legislature voted to reform the public employee retirement system in Oregon as part of something called the Grand Bargain. Today, the Oregon Supreme Court scaled back a lot of that reform, and it's a move that could bring billions of dollars in future benefits to state retirees, but some say it could come at a great cost to the public.
It'll have, again, a tremendously negative impact on us financially.
It's a big shift in policy as the Oregon Supreme Court decides to reject key aspects of a 2013 deal in the legislature.
Anytime you start changing the formula that then results in a cost in terms of the rates that we have to pay, it has a huge impact.
State legislators reached across the aisle as part of what they called a grand bargain to reform the public employee retirement system, freeing up money for city, county, and state budgets. Thursday, the Oregon Supreme Court said key parts of that bill were unconstitutional. Attorney Greg Hartman argued the case in front of the court.
You really can't take away contract rights of members in this case simply because you want to use those funds for other purposes.
Medford City Manager Eric Swanson says the ruling won't affect the city until the 2017-2018 budget.
That 17-18, or in our case 17-19, time frame where we're going to have to be concerned about this.
Preparing for that shortfall, Swanson says, could mean serious cuts to the general fund and, in turn, public services.
I believe they were reasonable reforms and were in the best interest of all of the resident citizens of Oregon, but obviously the court felt otherwise.
Now, Oregon Governor Gov Brown did weigh in on the subject, saying, quote, "I will be reviewing the ruling and assessing the next steps, including the short and long-term fiscal need of PERS." Live in Medford, Matt Jordan, NBC5 News.